Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. I can't believe we finished the third week already for this savings challenge that we are doing, 100 days to Christmas. If you haven't joined, it's still not too late. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today is day 21 of the savings challenge, 100 days to Christmas. So welcome back to my channel. Super grateful to have you here. So today is going to be very simple, and I'm going to tell you from week 1, week 2, and week 3 how much we have saved so far. And I'm going to leave everything on the screen. So if you've been getting paid every 2 weeks, every week, every day, every month, you still on a good start to start with us. So I'm going to spit all out today. So let's get started. Before I get that, let me go ahead and bring all my stuff out. I do have my bag over here. That's where I'm going to get my pen from. I have a lot of pens. We're going to change the color. Which one is this? This one is blue. I think that's what we're going to do for the following 10 days. Then we will switch it around. So I bring that one out. So let me put this on the side. And this is my savings challenge that we've been doing. We've been doing it for 21 days. So let's go ahead and look at the numbers. Okay, so this is what we've been doing for the 21 days will be today, which will be the 21 envelope, which is like this one, and the 21 envelope is 2 plus 1, which is going to be 3. So we're going to put $3 at the normal circumstance, but today I'm going to double it. I'm putting $6. Then I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing the math so that if you get paid, you can do it alongside with us. So let me go ahead and get the money. So this is the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's $6. And the $6 going to my envelope. Here we go. It is not cute. Look at that. That's it. That's it. Here we go. And this is it. Okay, so we've done 21, which is 2 plus 1, which was 3, but I did $6. So I doubled the number today. So let's go ahead, take my pen out. Then we're going to shade the number. We are changing the colors. So this is the color we're going to use for the next 10 days. Okay. It is not key. I'm loving it. So now let's do the calculation. So we're going to do by week by week. So week 1, for week 1, if you did the regular way, which was 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. It means in the regular way you did not change nothing. It's $28. $28. Then if you multiply it, if you double the number, it was going to times 2, $56. Then if you were dividing the number into 2, it means you are saving the lowest one. It was going to be 28 divided by 2, and that was 14. Okay, so that was week 1, right? Then week 2 we did 8 plus 9. Then we did 1 plus 0, which was 1. No. So we did 8 plus 9 plus 10. 27. Then we did 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. That was week 2. So we did save $41 if you didn't change nothing. Then 41, when you divide by 2, you save $20.50. Then if you are doubling the number, it's going to be times 2, and that will be $82. So that was week 2. And we are now done with week 3 today. So let's look at the numbers. I should have written the numbers down, but I'll put everything on the screen and do the math as well. But I want to see the amount we have saved so far, because a lot of people have been asking me how much are we going to end up with. I think I'll reserve that one until we are maybe halfway. Then we can do the math together. But let's do week 3. So we did week 1, week 2. Let's do week 3. So you see how the numbers are going little by little. Nothing fancy, but we are still saving, right? So for week 3, we did 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 2. Then we did 3 today. So that was going to be week 3. It was $45. $45 divided by 2. If you are dividing your numbers, you're supposed to have $22.50. Then if you are doubling the numbers, it's going to be times 2. You should have $90. So this is how it's going. I'm going to leave, like I said, everything on the screen so that you know. So just look at this, how gradually we are saving. Just little amount of money add up so much. And today, I also want to share with you my motivational message. It says, crazy just might work. It seems at times something may seem crazy, but it might work. Yeah, crazy just might work. Yeah, at times it's true. Something may feel very crazy. A lot of people will not understand why is this person doing that, which me personally, it has happened to me so many times, but it works most of the time. Yeah, so today that's what I wanted to share with you guys, that this is how far we are. It's still not too late to join. If you haven't joined and you are thinking, oh, they started a long time ago, don't worry. It's still not too late to join. Trust me, not too late to join at all. You can still start right now. So this is how far we are today. We did 21. So 2 plus 1 is 3, but I put in $6. Yeah, so thank you for joining me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.